Chocolate na masyadong masibab and weaving nitong si Oscar Dugue. Mama sa katawan pero sabi nga po natin, ang gandang kombinasyon na kanan from Oscar Dugue.
Let's all welcome, all the way from Tanzania, Oscar Dugue. Let's all welcome, making his way up to the red corner.
We're about to see the entrance of the Wonder Boy, the pride rather of Ifugao. American matchmaker who supported a lot of Filipino boxers.
From Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, let's all welcome Oscar Dugue. His opponent across the ring, fighting out the red corner. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Carl James, the Wonder Boy Martin.
Complete. And we're all set for this 10-round fight. Na kung kakausapin mo yung kanyang kampo, ito yung gusto nilang i-correct at improve, ano? Yung kanyang right jab. Na Oscar De La Hoya, trunks ni Carl James Martin, the Wonder Boy. Nagkaroon po ng injury sa kanyang dibdib. He was supposed to fight noong pandemic, no? Nung napalaban siya kay Richard Rosales, he admitted na nangapa siya ron. And Oscar Dugue, showing a lot of respect dito kay Oscar Dugue. He's got 5 losses, but in all of those losses, hindi pa nakatikim ng parang yung depensa ni Joshua Cloty na masyadong masikip. Maganda rin yung bob and weaving nitong si Oscar Dugue. A good right. And may konting aksyon nung first round. James Martin bilang warm-up, ano? Kasi sabi nga po natin, alam naman natin, yun ang mas mahirap, no? Long layoff tapos meron kang injury because of the layoff. So talagang merong mag-southpaw stance ito kasi merong ganung galawan. Pumaporma rin minsan ng kaliwa itong si Oscar Dugue. Good counter to the body by... And based on what I saw sa mga previous fights, si Oscar Dugue mas aktibo sa opensa, ha? Itong si Dugue Martin. Good job by Oscar Dugue. Ito mo, may galaw, ano? Itong si Oscar Dugue. Oh, good jab straight from Oscar. Boxer, parang first round is enough para sa kanila. Good body shot by Carl James Martin. Pero inabot siya ng isang magandang kanan from Martin. Medyo niya maganda patama sa katawan, pero sabi nga po natin, may tibay sa katawan itong si Oscar Dugue. His work cut out for him. Good left from Carl James Martin. Oh, tumama ng kanan doon. Parang ganun din ginawa niya. Parang nagpapawis lang ng first round. So back and forth action. Magandang cut by Carl James Martin, and that ends the second round. About scheduled for 10, Carl James Martin from the Philippines against Oscar Dugue of Tanzania. Ang gandang kombinasyon. Maganda yung mga patama ni Martin sa katawan, pero bumabalik itong si Oscar Dugue. Warning of both fighters. Oh, gandang counter left from Oscar Dugue. And comparing this Tanzania dun sa kanyang kababayan na sa aktibo sa kanyang opensa at marunong kumounter katulad nun. That was a counter right by much better round. Habang tumatagal, gumaganda yung kanyang performance. But at the same time, Oscar Dugue living up to yung expectations sa kanya na magandang depensa at mayroong pampabaon na kanan from Oscar Dugue, and Oscar Dugue cornering the Wonder Boy. Biglang may lusot na kanan from Oscar Dugue. Body shot from Carl James Martin. 11 wins, 5 losses. Kung bakit siya kinuha ng camp ni Carl James Martin, yung kanyang tibay. And very round 4 of a fight scheduled for 10. Carl James Martin from the Philippines. And mukhang yung jab ni Carl James Martin, hindi pa rin natin masasabi na effective dito until ito nga po nangyari. Nakita natin. Pero parang kulang sa snap yung suntok ni Martin. Good uppercut. Nag-i-improve na yung kanyang timing. At ang maganda rito, at least dito sa laban. So kita nyo naman yung pawis ni Carl Ham. Although sa tansya natin parang walang masyadong threat in terms of yung mga klase ng mga suntok na pwede niyang asahan. Now that plano nga po nila na mag-campaign abroad, punta rito ni Oscar Duque. A good right-left combo from Carl. Jab straight at mukhang nasaktan si Oscar Duque but bumawi agad. Still showing a lot of toughness. Taking a lot of punishment from Carl Hammes. Playing mind games na kunyari pagod na para makakita rin ng opening. And nagpapakilala ako po si Dennis Principe. Boss Abe. Kasama natin dito. Isang masipag at very professional. And Oscar Duque again trying to, if ever, no, kung meron mga na-i-offer dito si Oscar Duque. Niya sa mukha, pati sa katawan, tulad niya, bumato ng uppercuts. And Oscar Duque attacking Carl. He's trying to open up yung depensa. At yun, yung uppercut. Alam mo, yung uppercut, usually yan, walang depensa dyan eh. Nakapigil dun. Oh, good right there from and probably the condition, sabi mo talaga na nag-ensayo, no? And he kept himself in shape. Ito yung mga katawan na tip nag-i-ensayo. Oh, good right from Oscar Duque. Another right. Oscar Duque. Round na to. Samantala, round number 6. Turn round action na good right. Wala kanina. I don't think nagkikreate siya ng probably yung depensa ni Carl Hammes Martin. Oh, good left hook by Gay. And Martin being aggressive here. Parehong kamay nakaangat. Body shot by Carl Hammes Martin. Now Martin trying to finish this bout. Oscar Duque fighting back. Martin with a 1-2 combination. Sell very well. Perhaps, no, sinasabi nga po natin, walang masyadong sa balik aksyon. Medyo naputol yung momentum din ni Carl Hammes Martin. Perhaps realizing na kaya niya yung suntok ni Oscar Duque. Katulad nun, isang fights ni Oscar Duque, at least yung mga napapanood natin, Hammes Martin, pero makikita mo si Oscar Duque, hindi total backpedal no? Si Oscar Duque minsan meron ding abante. Inside the Lourdes Sports Complex in Sucat, Parañaque, Dennis Principe. Bigyan natin sa Trophy C. Oy, tumama ron si Oscar Duque. Bati na natin lahat. Gabriel Bebot Elorde. Miss point, I think maraming question marks sa isipan. Tignan nila if ever matapos ito ng ganito. Si Carl Hammes Martin, he's been dominating this ni Carl Hammes Martin. In some ways nakakayanan din. Saktan dito si Oscar Duque. Timing ba problema? Remember, he's coming off pinatama ni Oscar Duque, bawi naman ng kanan oh, good left Oscar Duque. Last 10 seconds. About scheduled for 10, Dennis Principe bringing you the action live mula po rito sa Lourdes Sports Complex ni Martin. But at the same time, posible rin gumagawa or nagkakaroon ng lakas ng loob si Duque na may pakinabang dito si Carl Hammes Martin. Probably yung the fact napala rito napapala ni Carl Hammes Martin dito up to this point. Ayun, pinagpawisan siya. Yung timing parating nandun, yung lakas parating nandun because a tough assignment in terms of na gusto niya mangyari dito. To be the first fighter naman ni Martin umaatake. Kita natin, yung kanyang opensa aktibo naman. Marami siya mga patama. At yung kanyang bounce nandun, yung kanyang activity nandun. Credit that to his conditioning coach, Mel Lantin ng Fit 21. Sa lakas dito si Martin, the conditioning, masasabi natin A1. Giving a good account of himself. 2-3 rounds humihiga. Dito nagbibigay siya ng problema kay Carl James Martin. Although, so maraming pwedeng pag-aralan dito. Malakas pero hindi tumatama. So it's a matter of timing. Tama sa katawan, but ang tanong is, tama ba yung timing? Yun ang tanong doon. Carl James Martin. Now, Carl James Martin attacking the body. Martin going. And Martin. Out si Villanera. 10th and final round. Carl James Martin. Marito si Martin in terms of notching a victory sa Jolly from Ifugao. Oy! So pwedeng pag-aralan ni Carl James Martin. Ano? Yung mga ganung patama, siguro kaharap niya is isang rated na Mexican. Baka and not take anyone for granted. We're not, katulad mo, gusto rin manalo ng knockout. And that's the end of the fight.
On to the winner by unanimous decision, James, the Wonder Boy Martin.
It's official.